Hello friends, greeting of the day. I am Ravinder Singh. I am trainer for all of your series, and today I am presenting you one of very good demo how Python script can help us for our day-to-day life for networking. So here is the script which the purpose of which is like this is my PC, okay, NetMinion Solutions PC, which is connected with layer 2 device, and in turns layer 2 device is connected with the routers, router 1 to router 4, okay, likewise. And what my script needs to do, my script should go and access each and every router through router 1 to router 4, okay, and check the show process CPU, maybe the CPU value of each device. And once the device's CPU value will be stored into some kind of variable, and through that variable we will pass that into the plot graph, and our Python script should provide us each and every output in the graphical representation. This script is a very beautiful script, okay, where you can learn a very lot. Series is not limited to this script only, okay. There are lot of stuff which you will learn, and be with me. Subscribe the channel, like the video, put the comments, do appreciate our work, and without any delay let me check how it works. So this is my script. Let me copy it and go to the command prompt. First of all, let me check if my devices are reachable or not. So 101 is reachable from here, likewise 2 is reachable from here. What about 3? It is also reachable, and so on with 4 as well. Maybe let me check with telnet, one of the device, so that we can check that connectivity is through the telnet as well. So username and password I need to provide over here, and yes, I am logging into the device. So proc CPU will be the output which I required, and it is currently 1%. Okay, let me exit out from here. Since my script is residing over the desktop, I need to go and take the path of desktop. So I am going to the desktop here. After that I am providing the keyword Python and whatever my script name is. So this is my script name. I am providing the same information, and I am hitting the enter key. Now you can see it is saying that it is connecting to the device. It has fetched out the information, okay. The 5-minute rate is 1%. Now then second device is having the 2% of output for 5 minutes, third device as well for 2 minutes, and it is connecting to the fourth device and fetching out the CPU value. Okay, here you go. So this is the output result it is showing. Now you can see what the script is showing over here. Script is saying that it is logging into the device, okay. When we run the script, it is providing us the current value, that is 1%, then it is 2%, then it is 2%, and again it is 2% for which IP, that IP are mentioned over here, okay. Then it is saying that I am plotting the 5 minutes value as graph now. So if you can see, first device with IP 101 is having the CPU utilization value as 1, and rest of the devices like 102, 103, 104 having the 2% of value. So since we are running it into our lab, it is not having much of the value over here, but if you wanted to increase some value and you wanted to test it again, maybe you can run some kind of debugs over here.